Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo, and today we are in Newcastle, PA at the Automobiles and Planes, Car Cruise and Airplanes. And even got RC airplanes. I don't know if you can see it back there. Right over there is a long line of airplanes and a whole bunch of cars. A lot more cars than I thought would be here. This is just northwest of Pittsburgh on the western side of Pennsylvania, and there's a lot of activity here. A lot of people, a lot of cars, and they also have airplane rides and a helicopter ride. Some of the cars here are really nice. You got everything from old school pickups like that over there to Porsche. How you doing?
The only one.
Is it?
Yeah.
The only Porsche.
I'm sorry?
I said the only Porsche.
The only Porsche.
Here at the show. And of course you got old school muscle cars, a bunch of those. Some really nice hot rods. And of course we got airplanes too. There's one parking right now. Oh, here's a real old antique automobile. It's an old Chevy. I'm not sure of the year. Somewhere probably in the 30s. Judging by the look of it. And a nice C2 Corvette. And it goes on and on and on. Of course, you got a bunch of Corvettes. You got my C4 way back there. Let me see, C4. Oh, you got a C2. A couple of C3s, my C4, another C4 over there, a C6, a C8, and pretty sure I saw a C5 somewhere around here. And if you can't find a fifth gen Corvette, well, there's a Ferrari over there. Sort of like the C8, just lacks 4 cylinders. Yeah, definitely a lot of activity here. Oh, nice GTO. Olds. Really nice street rods. Volkswagen way back over there.
In there for my other two guys, because I had 2 other guys with cars. I'm not looking on my age.
Nice green Camaro. Yeah, nice street rod. These street rods. When I was a kid going to car shows, that's all you would see just about old street rods like this. These are nice. Saw a really nice one here. I must have walked by it. Anyway, let's look around. Yeah, definitely lots of muscle cars. A Hearst, in case you need a ride somewhere. A lot more street rods. Yeah, it goes on and on. This is nice. Iron crate. Yeah, nice old gasser. Definitely lots of planes. If you're in the planes, definitely a lot of them. Here we go, this old nice Snyder's Antique Automobiles and Collectibles, Newcastle, Pennsylvania. I'm going to say this is like a 52. It's possible it's a 53 or 4, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm going to say it's more of a 53 or a 54. Yeah, definitely by the gauge. The gauge is there. Nice sedan delivery. Custom sedan delivery. Oh, here we go. My favorite street rod of the show is this one right here, this Ford. It's old bare sheet metal with flames, and they got it clear coated over the sheet metal. Yeah, this is really nice. A small block Chevy with a ton of land. 2 ABS L block carburetors, 4-valve carburetors. That was nice. Like I say, this is my favorite street rod here at the shop. Oh, another C4 Corvette. That makes 3 C4 Corvettes at the show. Mine, that blue one, and this one. And here, look at this convertible over here. It's a Pontiac, I'd say around 54, 53 maybe. This is nice. Real nice. SS Camaro. I'm going to say a 396. Nice. I'm going to say 69. Might be wrong. And a bunch of vendors. Music playing in the background. Planes taking off and landing, and of course that helicopter taking off and on. Helicopter rides. You can go sign up for helicopter rides. I'm not sure how much it costs. I might look into it later. I don't think I've never been in a helicopter. They even have a CLS 55 AMG here, Mercedes. Of course, you got a bunch of Mustangs. Another 52 or 51 Chevy. This is the streamlined one. More custom, of course. Let's see what year it is. 52. More custom interior. Automobile. Let's look at this one. It's a Plymouth, 33 Plymouth, Deluxe 2-door sedan. You'll see antique Fords mostly at car shows from this time period, and occasional Chevy like we saw back there from this time period. You very rarely see the Plymouths or other cars. Here we go, a Pinto. Don't get to see too many of them anymore. It's got the wood side and a surfboard on top. And just don't rear end these things. You know what happens when you rear end them? They blow up. Cutlass. Helicopter. Just a bunch of people taking that sucker for a ride. Looks like a pretty nice day to do it. It's overcast. I think it's supposed to rain later tonight. Possibly a chance of rain. But anyway, that's just a short video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Don't have much else going on right now. Probably be back in the garage next week doing something. I think that's about it for now. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.